Okay, I went away on vacation. Well, a little trip. And when I was gone, my Temu package came. So I am going to, it's the first time I've ordered from the company, and so I am going to open the package. So let's see what we got. So here's how the package came. Lots of tape. So what I'm going to do is open it up, take out the things, and then we'll see what we've got. Looks good so far. Okay, first thing I pull out is this, and this is a blouse. And when I look at it, it looks absolutely beautiful, just like the picture. And then I pull this out. Look at this really, really pretty necklace. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, that's the dress I ordered. Let's see what the colors are. Ooh, there's the eye. So I'm going to have to try these on in a second. Let's see what else is in here. Something. Let's see. Okay, so here's the other thing that was in here. This is the package of pants. Honestly, they look good. I'll have to see what they look like on. Oh, I'm a delicate fucking flower. Everything looks really good. Okay, that's one of the pairs of earrings. And, yep, they look just like they were described. I got 2 of those. What else we got in this package? What's this? Oh, my Life is Good shirt. I'm worried about that one being too big. And let me see, there should be a few more pairs of earrings. What's this? I don't know what that is. I'll have to look at that. And a few other things. There's one of the pairs of earrings. Looks pretty. And 2 more pairs of earrings, I think. Pretty. Very pretty. That I kind of like. These, yeah, I definitely like. So we'll take a look at these and what they look like on my first Temu order. Pretty fun, but very addicting.